Welcome everyone to Drink Responsibly with Arafa. Today I'm going to be making you guys a beautiful gin cocktail called Blue Gin Delight. So the recipe calls for gin, of course, calls for Blue Caruçao, calls for tonic water, sorry, my bad, always tonic, calls for soda water, and of course lemon juice and some ice. Some of you might know that whenever it's gin, count me in. And of course, it's always gin o'clock somewhere in the world. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna get my ice, a lot of ice, so I'm gonna go ahead. The gin I'm using today needs no explanation. Just pouring my gin in here so I can get the right measurement. Alright? Okay. So, what are we gonna do first? I think I'm gonna do the gin in the glasses. Yes. Alright. Then I'm gonna do my soda water. And then, as usual. Okay. Yes. And here too. Okay. Then we're gonna do our Blue Caruçao. Let me put the stirrers in. Let's see. My friend taught me a trick. Let's see if I can. Oh yes. So you need only 15 ml of this. So, oh my God, I'm looking pretty. I'm loving. Okay. So we have that one in. And then let's do this one. See if I get it. We have this in, and then of course you need garnishing the slices. Okay, got that out. Actually, let me drop this in. Drop this in. And then of course, let's do this. Oh my God, it looks pretty. I hope it tastes just as. Et voila! Oh, stir first. Stir first. Alright. So I just hope it tastes as good. This looks so good. I hope it tastes just as good. Alright. There you go. Cheers. Don't forget to drink responsibly. See you guys next time. Cheers.